Hi everyone. If you are a first-time visitor, we invite you to subscribe to the channel by clicking the button below. In this tutorial, we're going to answer your question of whether we say fish or fishes, or we can use them both. Let's be straightforward. Yes, we can use them both, and both are correct in English. However, the word fish is the one which is frequently used. We can use it for the singular or the plural. Hence, fish is an uncountable noun. But what's really the difference between these two confusing words? We use fish to mean one type of fish or the same kind of fish. For example, if you say, I love this fish, it's because the same type of fish. Fishes is, by contrast, used to mean different types of fish. For example, I caught 2 big fishes. We used fishes here because one fish belongs to one type and the other fish belongs to another type.